Now students, today we are going to discuss the question answers in the chapter Frognapped. I'll be giving you some points regarding the answers and then you will write the answers yourselves in a copy. Now the first question. Question A. Answer these questions. Number 1. Where was the frog when the woman found him? Now, the frog was in a mechanic shop or near a mechanic shop, isn't it? When the writer found the frog for the first time. Now, second question. How did the frog feel at the beginning of the story? Obviously, you have already understood the explanation. How was the frog feeling in the beginning? It felt hot, felt dizzy, and then it also felt frightened, it was afraid, and then it was not able to handle the noise at the mechanic shop. So you will write about all this in a paragraph. Next, question number 3. What did the woman do after catching the frog? Remember, what did the woman do? First of all, she put the frog inside a plastic bag and then she sprinkled some water from her bottle. Then she threw some green leaves inside it and then she knotted the bag tightly. After that, what did she do? She made a small hole in the bag so that the frog could breathe properly. So you will write everything and also mention then what did she do? After that, she kept the plastic bag inside her knapsack. You will mention all this in your answer number 3. Now question number 4. Why did the frog feel better in the restaurant? Why? Very simple. Because of the air conditioner, isn't it? He was feeling normal, he was feeling better after staying some time in the restaurant because of the air conditioner. Now question number 5. How did the frog get home? Here, what happened? The frog, he was with the writer and her husband, isn't it? They were moving in an air-conditioned vehicle. And then what happened? He was lucky enough. He found that the bag was open and he seized that opportunity and he jumped out of the bag and managed to land on a tree. And this is how he managed to escape and got back home. Now question number 6. What happened when the frog told his friends about his adventures? Remember what happened? Did they believe him? No. His friends, means those were also frogs. His frog friends did not believe him at all. Then question number 7. What is the huge multi-roomed cave? I have already told you that a huge multi-roomed cave is referred to as a house. It's a house. Okay, why? Because generally what happens in a house, there are many rooms and the size of a house is generally big. So it is referred as a huge multi-roomed cave. Then last question number 8. What are the things that the other frogs had said about this cave? Remember what his frog friends had boasted about that house, what facilities it had. So first of all, they said that the house had plentiful of water, then it had glowing lights at night that attracted a large number of insects, then there were many places to hide, and lastly, what did they say? They said that there was no fear of snakes or birds. So I hope all of you will be able to write your answers correctly in a copy, and we shall meet again very soon. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.